Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best budget drones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Holystone HS210 Mini Drone, Green Edition, a compact, beginner-friendly drone designed especially for kids and first-time flyers. With its lightweight body, simple controls, and fun stunt features, it's built to make flying easy, safe, and exciting right out of the box. Priced at around $39.99, the HS210 offers excellent value for entry-level users. You get 3 rechargeable batteries, multiple spare parts, and fun flight features usually found in more expensive drones. For beginners or kids, this is a budget-friendly way to start learning drone control without risking a high-cost device. The Holystone HS210 comes packed with beginner-focused features that make flying simple and fun. 360-degree flip stunts. Perform easy aerial flips with a single button press for entertaining tricks. One-key takeoff/landing. Start and land the drone effortlessly, even for complete beginners. Altitude hold function. Keeps the drone stable in the air for smoother control and better learning experience. Speed adjustment modes. Choose slow mode for beginners or faster speeds for more advanced flying. Extended flight time. Comes with 3 batteries, giving you longer total flying sessions compared to most mini drones. Long distance control. Stable connectivity allows smooth control within a safe flying range. Durable and lightweight design. At only 38 grams, it's safe for indoor use and less likely to cause damage. USB charging support. Easy charging through standard USB ports, making it convenient anywhere. Complete beginner kit includes propellers, screwdriver, propeller spanner, and spare parts for maintenance. Pros: very affordable price for beginners. Comes with 3 batteries for longer flight time. Easy controls with one-key functions. Durable and lightweight for kids. Fun stunt features like 360-degree flips. Cons: limited outdoor performance in windy conditions. Short individual battery flight time. Basic camera-free model, no photo/video features. Small size can be tricky in larger spaces. Number 4. Meet the Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone, a compact, foldable camera drone designed for beginners and casual users who want smooth aerial shots, easy controls, and real-time FPV flying at an affordable price. At just $39.98, this drone delivers surprising value for a 2K camera model. It includes 2 batteries, a carrying bag, and extra propellers, making it a budget-friendly starter option for teens and adults who want to explore aerial photography without spending much. The Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone comes with a strong set of beginner-friendly and entertainment-focused features. 2K HD camera with FPV. Capture aerial photos and videos while viewing live footage through your smartphone. Foldable design, compact and travel-friendly, easy to carry in the included bag. Altitude hold, keeps the drone stable in midair for smoother and clearer shots. One-key takeoff/landing, simple controls for beginners to start flying quickly. Headless mode, makes direction control easier, especially for first-time pilots. Speed adjustment, switch between slow and fast modes depending on your skill level. 360-degree flip stunts, adds fun aerial tricks for entertainment flying. Wi-Fi connectivity, connects to your phone for FPV transmission and control. Dual batteries included, longer flying sessions without waiting for recharge. Safety accessories, comes with propeller guards, spare blades, and remote control. Pros: very affordable 2K camera drone. Beginner-friendly controls and flight modes. Foldable and travel-ready design. Includes 2 batteries and useful accessories. FPV live video feature adds fun experience. Cons: camera quality is basic 2K, not premium clarity. Performance can be affected by wind outdoors. Limited advanced stabilization features. Best suited for casual use, not professional filming. Number 3. Meet the DJI Mini 4K, a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone from DJI that delivers professional-looking 4K aerial footage in a super portable under $249 design. Priced at around $299, the Mini 4K sits in the entry-level premium drone category. For the price, you're getting a 3-axis gimbal, 4K video, 10 km transmission, and 31-minute flight time, making it one of the best value compact drones for beginners and casual creators. 4K UHD camera, 12MP stills, sharp, cinematic aerial shots with true 4K recording quality. 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smooth, shake-free footage even in motion. Under 249 g weight, no heavy registration hassles in many regions, highly portable. Up to 10 km video transmission, long range, stable FPV live feed. 31-minute flight time, solid airtime for a compact drone, 1 battery setup. Wind resistance, level 5/38 km/h, stable performance in moderate wind conditions. Auto return, RTH, automatically returns home when battery is low or signal drops. Easy controls for beginners, designed for simple takeoff, landing, and flight control. Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi connectivity, reliable connection with smartphone and controller support. Pros: excellent 4K video quality with stabilized gimbal. Very lightweight and travel-friendly, 249 g. Strong 10 km transmission range. Long 31-minute flight time. Beginner-friendly with smart safety features. Cons: only 1 battery included in base package. No advanced obstacle avoidance system. Extra batteries increase overall cost. Not ideal for extreme wind conditions or professional filmmaking. Number 2. Meet the DJI Mini 3, a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone from DJI designed to capture stunning 4K HDR footage with advanced stabilization and smart flight features. Priced at around $299, the DJI Mini 3 offers strong value for its class. You get 4K HDR video, 48MP photos, 38-minute flight time, and 10 km transmission, making it one of the most capable entry-level cinematic drones available today. 4K HDR camera, 48MP photos, high-detail aerial shots with rich color and dynamic range. 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smooth, professional-level video stability even in motion. 38-minute flight time, longer airtime compared to many drones in its category. Up to 10 km video transmission, stable long-range FPV connection. True vertical shooting, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and mobile content. GPS auto return, RTH, automatically returns home if signal drops or battery is low. Wind resistance, level 5/38 km/h, stable flight even in moderate wind conditions. Beginner-friendly controls, easy takeoff, landing, and smart flight modes. Lightweight design, 249 g class, portable and regulation-friendly in many regions. Pros: excellent 4K HDR video quality with 48MP photos. Long 38-minute flight time per battery. True vertical shooting for social media content. Strong 10 km transmission range. Very beginner-friendly with GPS safety features. Cons: only 1 battery included in base package. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Accessories and extra batteries can increase cost. Limited advanced cinematic controls compared to higher-end DJI models. Number 1. Meet the Contixo F28, a feature-packed beginner-friendly drone designed for smooth aerial photography, smart GPS navigation, and easy one-touch controls. Priced at around $142.09, the Contixo F28 sits in the mid-budget drone category. For the price, you get GPS autofollow, waypoint flying, foldable design, and a carry case, making it a solid value pick for hobby flyers and beginners who want smart features without paying premium DJI prices. 1080p HD camera, capture clear aerial photos and videos for casual use. GPS auto-follow mode, the drone can follow you automatically for hands-free recording. One-button return home, safely brings the drone back with a single press. Waypoint flight mode, draw a path on your phone and the drone follows it. Orbit mode, circle around a subject for cinematic shots. Selfie mode, easy aerial selfies with smart positioning. Foldable design, compact and portable for travel and outdoor use. FPV Wi-Fi transmission, live video feed directly to your smartphone. 26-minute flight time, decent airtime with included battery system. Carry case included, easy storage and protection during transport. Pros: Strong GPS smart flight features at a mid-range price. Foldable and travel-friendly design. Useful autofollow and waypoint modes. Easy one-button return for safety. Includes carry case for portability. Cons. Only 1080p camera, not 2K or 4K. Wi-Fi FPV range is limited compared to premium drones. Not ideal for professional filmmaking. Performance can drop in strong wind conditions. If you're looking for a smart GPS drone with autofollow and beginner-friendly controls, the Contixo F28 is worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews and comparisons.